Hey everybody, this video is going to have something a little bit different than what I've been posting here lately. It's going to be an unboxing video. I get emails all the time from companies wanting to send me stuff to review, and I never accepted any until now. Multipick reached out, and they actually sent me this, it's called a Multipick Elite Medium 27-piece Christina Palmer pick set. And they sent it to me to check it out and review it. And if I like it, they even gave a promo code to get 10% off till the end of 2023. So I'll share a link to it in the description, and I will give you my honest opinion on it too. One reason why I've never actually accepted offers from companies is if it sucked, I didn't want to just make a video bad-mouthing something. So Multipick, though, I've never tried them myself, but I am familiar with them, so I don't think they're going to be bad. But if I can get the package open here, we'll check them out. All right, so I got a blade here. And I already like the case here just looking at it. I've actually never bought an entire pick set here. I've always bought my picks kind of a la carte. Let's open it up here. So, very nice case. Notice that right off the bat here. And we'll go through some of the different picks that we have. So we'll go with rakes first here. Like locksport, 10 years ago or so got me into locksmithing, and as a locksmith now I don't pick a lot of locks, and when I do I'm oftentimes using leashy tools or rakes. Hardly ever single pin pick anymore. So the first thing I guess we'll check out here is the rakes. So it's got 4 of them, and handles feel kind of thin here, but I'm going to do some videos trying to pick locks with these after this video, so I can actually kind of test them all out and everything. I got 4 nice rakes. And move over here to the hooks. Got a couple of Euro hooks here. And these do have kind of thin metal handles on them. My picks I use working are all Peterson these days, and those are all plastic handles, which I do like here, but these probably are fine. So I'll link this in the description with the promo code, and then I am gonna do some videos actually trying them out here and letting you know what I think about them actually picking a lock, and may even pick a lock at the end of this video. But anyway, that's a couple of Euro hooks, a couple of rakes here, a couple of diamond picks, which don't use them much here, but it's kind of cool that are in here. And then into the what I would consider the meat of the set here, the actual hooks, which is what you want for single pin picking. I'm just looking at what the handles say on them. This is my first time actually putting hands on these. And I guess they're kind of laser etched, very nice looking. Deeper hook there. Set one of these aside here. I do have a master lock sitting here. I'm going to pick just for fun here. I've kind of gotten away from picking for fun since I've been locksmithing now almost, I guess almost 9 years here. My math was bad. Almost 9 years, and it's definitely turned into a job, although I still like it here. You don't really get to pick locks too often. There's another couple of hooks here. And these look like they're going to be thinner hooks. Thinner and deeper. Very nice. And I got some turning tools here, so we'll get into to those. Got our bottom of the keyway. Now these actually look very nice. So how thick and sturdy they look here, a lot better than the windshield wipers. Very nice. Looks like some different length heads on them. And you got some shorter ones, shorter keyways. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to like these quite a bit actually. Yeah, look how thick they are. A lot of feedback probably. Working a different turning tool. Very nice. And we got our top of the keyway over here. And I did look at the website here before I did the video, and I noticed our top of the keyway tensioners are single-sided, which is different than what I'm used to, but I'm sure they work very well. Of course, we will find out. And these look like they've got some different different thicknesses and different lengths. Very nice. And I think what we'll do here is we'll try to pick a lock here while we got the camera running. Let's try one of the bottom of the keyway tensioners. And I got this nasty covered in paint master lock here that we can hopefully pick here. Try some bottom of the keyway tension. So you can zoom in on the one I'm using here. This is a 0.8 millimeters. The head looks like on it. And I'm going to just pick a hook over here to use. And we'll single pin pick it. Yeah, it looks good to me. So apply some tension here. And I know it's only a 4-pin master lock, but I haven't single pin picked a lock in a while. So some rotation on it. All right, I already got it picked here. So master lock easy enough here, but the tensioner seems like it works well. It feels well. I do like how thick it is. And handle feels pretty good here. I'm just, that's just a little quick pick here. I do have some American locks I'm going to dig up and some other locks that we can rake. So I'm going to be testing all this stuff out here over the next few days here. So stay tuned. And if you want to check this set out, like I said, there will be a link in the description with a 10% off promo code. And just full disclosure, I'm not making any money on this. They just sent me the set to review. I've used the promo codes. I don't get any compensation or anything from it. I just want to show you guys the picks here and give you an opportunity to get a nice set of picks, or really anything from their website. They said 10% until the end of 2023. So if you want to like and subscribe, hit the bell. There'll be some videos here over the next few days, picking some locks, which is something I have kind of gotten away from over the last couple of years. But that's all we got for now. We'll talk to everybody later.